Check out this 2008 Toyota Sequoia. All available records show the odometer reading on this vehicle to be accurate. This vehicle appears to be clean of any known defects. This vehicle has never been smoked in. There is no previous collision damage to this vehicle. There is no damage present on this vehicle. Not only are there no door dings on this vehicle, it will roll out of our showroom detailed, looking and smelling new. The original paint still shines because it appears to have been garaged. This auto's tranny is smooth. No skip or slip when it shifts. The engine in this vehicle was well maintained by its previous owner and runs like new. All electric and power equipment work like new. This vehicle could very well be the best kept secret in the luxury import market. Very responsive and a joy to drive with great styling and the high-tech gadgets for a low cost of ownership. Very responsive and a joy to drive with great styling and the high-tech gadgets for a low cost of ownership. Great styling, smooth ride, lots of standard safety features and a solid car. Luxurious interior that's comfortable and convenient with nice access and ease of entry and departure. Can you say loaded? This pristine vehicle has every single option I can think of and it is in awesome condition. No car on the road demands as much respect as this Toyota Sequoia. Look out! Here's a little monster. This baby is immaculate and a blast to drive. Certified hot. You'll love the power and performance. No disappointments here. We stand behind this vehicle and the Carfax report available to you free of charge. This vehicle is certified pre-owned and comes with all the benefits of a CPO warranty. Please call for details. Please call us for more information. The special internet price is $37,950. Contact the dealership today.